You asked, how to divide 1875 by 5 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 18. 18 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 18 minus 15 equals 3. Bring down 7, making 37. 37 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 37 minus 35 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 375.